This is October-November 21 paper 22. So Nikita is a trader. Her trial balance did not agree, and they say that the debit exceeds the credit by 2,600. What does this mean? The debit exceeds the credit by 2,600. What does this mean?
It means that the debit is more than the credit when it's supposed to be equal.
It means that the debit is more than the credit. The debit always has to be equal to the credit, but over here, the debit is more than the credit. Now look at the first thing. So that means there is a difference in the trial balance. What is there?
Difference in trial balance.
Difference in the trial balance. These were the errors that were discovered. The first error. Please read this error.
Insurance of 2,500 had been entered
Insurance of
as
2,500. This is just the correct part. Okay?
yes,
Insurance of 2,500. Can you tell me insurance is an expense or it is an income?
expense.
Expense.
It is an expense. So what has happened over here? You had insurance of 2,500. You have entered it as 4,500 in insurance account.
Yeah.
Where have you done the error?
In the insurance
In the
account.
in the insurance account.
account. So correct entry would be, can you do it along with me?
Yeah.
Insurance is debit. 2,500. What is the wrong that you did?
You did insurance debit as 4,500.
We did insurance debit for 500. The wrong that you did is you did insurance debit 4,500. Now you will reverse this wrong. So it will be what?
Insurance credit. Yeah. 4,500.
One is debit.
Yeah.
One
Opposites
is
will
credit.
minus. So
So
opposites
you
will
will
minus.
minus. So it will become insurance, which is the higher part. The higher part is credit. So
Yeah.
insurance credit 2,000. And what will be debit?
Suspense.
Suspense debit 2,000.
Okay, yeah, done.
Miss, why did you subtract it to
You have
2,500?
to merge these two entries, right?
Yeah.
When you have to merge these two entries, you will see these are the same things or they are opposite. They're opposite.
Okay.
One is credit, one is debit. So if it is
Okay.
opposite, you're going to subtract it.
Okay.
Read the next one.
The total of the discount received column in the cash book was 500, had
Stop.
not been debited to the discount
Stop.
allowed column in the
Stop.
general.
You hear when I ask you to stop.
Sorry.
Discount receipt column is how much?
500.
500.
500. Now tell me what is the correct treatment of discount receipt? What is it?
Discount received is as an income, right? For us.
Discount received is an income.
So it's
Income is
credited.
always
Credited.
Income is always credited. So in the correct, what will you write?
Discount received credit.
Yeah.
Discount received credit. What did you do?
We debited
You debited it in the discount allowed column.
account.
What
Yeah.
did you do?
You debited two into a discount allowed column.
You debited into discount allowed column. So what will you
Hmm.
write in the wrong?
Discount allowed debit.
Discount allowed debit.
Right. What will you do in the reverse?
Discount
Discount
allowed.
allowed credit.
So suspense debit.
Yeah.
My credit. So you'll add these two entries.
But these okay.
Yeah.
So it
Miss,
will
but
be discount
1000.
allowed credit discount received credit and suspense account debit.
yeah, I was correct. Debit. Alright, yeah, done.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Now the next entry.
Credit sales of 1,400 to Kajal have been correctly
Credit sales.
entered.
The correct part is this much. What
Hmm.
is the correct part?
It has been correctly entered in the sales account.
So the sales has been done correctly. I will not touch the sales account.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, you will not.
Now this is credit sales of 1400 to Kajal. Can you tell
Hmm.
me what is the correct entry for credit sales?
Credit sales.
Sales debit, cash credit? No.
Sales credit, Kajal debit.
Sales is an income.
Yes. Sales credit.
Sales credit.
Yeah,
And it's
that's
credit sales.
hmm.
So Kajal debit.
Kajal debit. Yeah.
You will write 200 time entries for credit sales, Farhan.
Yes, miss.
It has been correctly entered in the sales account. That means I don't have to do anything with the sales.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the correct entry is Kajal debit.
1 minute. I don't have to do anything with the sales. But
Yeah.
what did I do? It was debited as 1000 in Kajal account. This is the wrong
Yeah.
that I did.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So what is the correct entry?
Suspense credit.
Here. Correct is Kajal debit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Okay.
What did I do?
Debit. You Kajal debited 1,000. That's the
But
wrong
I
thing you did.
debited Kajal as 1000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the name of this error?
Error of
Wrong name, I think so. Wrong amount.
wrong amount. So
Compensating error.
no,
Error of
that's
original
overcost.
entry. Wrong amount.
Oh.
Error of original entry. Wrong amount.
So miss, I got the correct rectification.
Can we first reverse it?
Yeah, done.
It will be
Kajal
Kajal credit 1000.
credit 1000. Yes.
So when I'm doing the rectification entry, it will be what?
Kajal debit 400
It will be Kajal debit 400.
because debit is the largest value. That's
And suspense
and
credit.
expense credit. Hmm. Okay, last one. A check of 700 received from Anisa have been correctly entered
What is the
in the
correct
cash
part?
book. A check of 700
Check
received
of
from Anisa.
700 received from Anisa. Can
Hmm.
you give me the entry of receiving a check?
Bank. Okay. Receiving a check. Bank debit
Hmm?
and
Credit.
cash credit. All right.
You received a check from whom?
From
Anisa.
Anisa.
Received a
Yeah,
check
Anisa will be
from
credited.
Anisa.
Anisa's. Yeah.
So
Anisa will be
Anisa credit.
Yes.
Yeah.
What did you do? You correctly entered in the cash book.
Hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hmm.
So this is already done. I don't need to do anything with this.
Okay.
What is the wrong that you did?
You didn't
But
credit
credited to Aisha's account, Aisha's account.
But you
Cash book.
credited to Aisha's account.
Yes, so wrong name.
The wrong name. What is the name of this error?
Complete omission. Partial omission.
No,
Commission.
not commission. Commission.
Yeah, commission.
Wrong
Sorry.
name. So you credited to Aisha's account.
Mm.
What you should have credited it to? It should have been
Anisa.
Anisa credit.
Mm.
Can you do the reverse of this?
Okay, so Aisha debit.
Aisha debit 700.
Okay.
What is the
So
rectification entry?
Aisha debit, Anisa credit.
Rectification entry would be
Aisha debit,
Aisha debit 700.
Anisa credit. Done.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now this is a full rectification entry. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now we have to prepare a suspense account.
Okay, easy.
Okay, we have to prepare a suspense account. When we prepare a suspense account, what is the thing that we are going to think in
Suspense
the
account, suspense point of view.
suspense point of view? So if you see
Yeah.
suspense is debit,
Mm.
suspense is
Debit.
Debit.
suspense is.
Debit.
So
Debited.
on the debit side of your suspense account, what will you write?
Insurance.
Insurance.
Correct. Now if you see over here, suspense
Insurance.
is,
Suspense debit.
suspense is,
Debited.
suspense is.
Debited.
So on the debit side of your suspense account, what will you write?
Discount received and discount allowed.
Yes?
Yeah.
Now over here. Suspense is,
Credit.
suspense is.
Credit.
So on the credit side of your suspense account, what will you write?
Kajal.
Now, you saw the debit is exceeding the credit by 2,600.
Yeah.
That means the debit was more.
Hmm.
What does this mean? This means that the debit was more.
Yes.
Yeah.
If the debit was more, what will you do? That
You have to
means
write
suspense was having a credit balance of how much? Was having a debit balance, but will be written on the credit side. Of how much was the balance, debit balance?
2600.
2600. So 2600 was the difference in trial balance. That will come on the first line.
Okay.
Okay.
Done.
And then your suspense account also tallies.
Okay. Beautiful.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now we'll take this part. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Now just remember this part. You have to show what is the effect of the error on the profit. What do you have to show?
Effect
Effects
on
on the
error on
profit.
Okay, you have to show the effect of error on profit and you have to calculate the corrected profit. So if you want to calculate the corrected profit, what do you want to calculate?
The corrected profit.
You want to calculate the corrected profit. Your first thing that you need to have is your rectification entries. We already
Okay.
passed the rectification entries. Are you here with me?
Yes.
Yes.
What do I have to find out?
The corrected profit.
Corrected. So when you have to find out the corrected profit, your first starting point will be take the profit before correction.
Okay.
What will you take?
Profit before correction.
Profit
Profit
before
before
correction.
correction.
In that, if you in your rectification entry, anywhere you have done income credit or expense credit, you will add it.
Okay.
Let's check over here. Is insurance an expense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So insurance is an expense. So this expense is credited. So I'm writing this is expense credit.
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Discount allowed is an expense.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is again expense credit.
Hmm.
Discount received is an income.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is income credit.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 Income is on the credit side.
Yes.
And this expense is on the credit side.
Yeah.
Is Kajal any expense or income?
Kajal is it's an expense, right?
Kajal is a name of a person.
Yeah.
Nothing. No effect.
It's nothing. Expense would be wages, rent, salary,
Oh, okay,
electricity,
okay.
and
Okay, fine.
income would be anything that you've received.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you see over here? This is expense credit.
Yes.
So this will be added.
Yes.
Again, expense credit.
Hmm.
So this will be added. Income credit.
Added.
So
And
this will be added. So anywhere where there is expense credit, income credit, you will add it.
yes.
Okay. And anywhere where you see your expense is debit or income is on the debit side, you will subtract it.
Okay.
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 So over here,
Yeah.
all three is falling in the add category. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So you have to add it. Now see over here, I will just crop this part and I will come over here. Come on. Error 1. Expenses credit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2000. Can you see this?
Yes.
So you have to add it. That means you have to increase the profit.
Okay.
Because of error number 2, income is credit, expense is credit.
Yes.
So you have to increase the profit by 1000.
1,000.
Number 3 has no effect. Error number 4 has no effect.
Hmm.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you're doing your corrected profit, you will increase your profit by 3000. Decrease your profit by nothing. So net effect is you are going to increase and you're going to have a corrected profit of 28, 29, 30, 31,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Understood. You need to learn this statement. If you
Okay.
have to find out the corrected profit, what do you have to find out?
The corrected
Corrected.
profit.
Okay, if you have to find out the corrected profit, if you have to find out the corrected profit, what will you do? You'll start with profit before correction. What will you start with?
Profit before correction.
What will you add?
Add income credit and expense credit.
You will add
Yeah.
income credit, expense credit. If in your rectification entries, anywhere income is credit or expense is credit, you will add.
Yes.
So you will start with profit before correction, income credit, expense credit,
Yes.
add.
Yes.
Income debit, expense debit,
Yes.
you subtract, and you will get
Yes.
the corrected profit. Can you
Yeah.
please repeat if you want to find the corrected profit, how will you start?
Add income credit and expense
Profit
credit.
before correction,
Profit before
Before
correction.
correction,
add
add income
Add income
credit
credit and expense credit, and then less
and minus
subtract
expense
expense debit and income debit.
Okay,
Then you'll
very
get the
then
corrected profit.
corrected
okay.
profit.
So this is the Nikita sum where you made the rectification entries, you prepared the suspense account, and you also calculated the corrected profit.